Welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. In this video, we're going to be doing a video on the Toyota RAV4. Toyota RAV4. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the horn. Let me get these drinks out of here so they're not advertising. But I'm Mad Human Pizza. Mad Human Pizza. That's Matt, a human being, and then pizza. And this is a YouTube video for all you YouTube fans out there. So this is how you use the horn on a Toyota RAV4, Raviola 4. So you go like this, like that, and it goes beep. And then I didn't want to do that because I'm in a parking lot and I didn't want to, draw attention, but I just did. See, someone screamed. So you never know what's going on. But anyway, I got you ever have cut off jeans where you have jeans and you cut them off? Oh, it's so cool. It's like summertime and you got all these jeans and you just cut them and now you made shorts. You believe that? Jeans to shorts, unbelievable. I couldn't believe it myself, but until someone told me, hey, you can do, you know what? You can turn your jeans into shorts. And I was like, what a concept, But anyway, say you push on this middle area, there's a horn, and the horn is located up in front, below the grill, in the front area of the vehicle. I've torn apart cars and I've found the two little horns they have, but the wiring goes around somehow. But anyway, you just push this middle area and it'll go beep beep, and horns can be used to let the driver in front of you know, hey, the light turned green, or hey, stop being a dummy. You hit the horn, or you almost hit somebody, you beep, or they almost hit you, you beep. Or if it's kind of like you can go beep beep and you say hi. It's like it's a language, if you will. So it's right in here. So you just push that, and it's like a diaphragm or something. It actuates, resistance in an electrical circuit. Who knows? Who cares? It's like an electrical thing. But this is a Toyota RAV4, and I'm in the driver's seat, and it's located within the steering wheel, and it's in the middle of the steering wheel. Most vehicles, if not all, it's usually right here, right in the middle. It's right behind the 3 circles here, 5 circles, I believe 5, and then 6 circles. So a lot of circles in the Toyota logo. And they expand. It's kind of like they had like an AutoCAD program where they made a circle and then they like extruded it or expanded it and like made like an ellipse or something like that. And parabolas, or I don't know, just some kind. They expand the circles. And they kind of twist them around vertically, horizontally, and then they had one broad one right here. And they're like, that's pretty. We like that logo. Let's stick with that. So, I mean, if you look at it for a while, it looks like this is like a ring around a tire. Like, picture this as a tire, and then this is like a ring, and it's like a freeze frame shot where it's going around and around, but like you take a photo, and it's like a freeze frame. So that's the tire. Oh, it's getting out of focus. And then this is like the bottom of the tire, and it's on this circular loop-to-loop. So that just picture this tire, and the tire is probably spinning too. So just picture it spinning opposite the way it's going, like someone pushed it and it's spinning. They like give a spin to it, pushed like a basketball, where when it like hits the ground and bounces back. But it's spinning. I picture it spinning backwards and just going around this loop. And this ring's also going around. It's through the tire and around. So it's spinning around and around, and it's giving like a momentum. So it must be like tilting. So anyway, behind all this jazz is the horn. HORN, horn. It's a pretty cool English word. So we've discussed cutoff pants, the horn. And there's also an airbag back here, but that's for another video. But this is where you find this is a Toyota RAV4. I'm in the driver's seat. I'm sitting. This is where you find the horn. It's usually within the steering column, in here. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. Have a great day, and I really hope you're a good neighbor. Just be a good neighbor, and don't be nosy, and bother don't bother people that like to come outside and walk around. So have a great day.